I need a chef's hat. Welcome back to the Stone Post Outdoor Kitchen. Today we're cooking up some walleye or sogeye with the Fish Monger batter mix. We're going to try it out. I like the Fish Monger seasoning so much in my trout dip that I saw this and decided I'm going to try this out on some fish. Some real fish. Some walleye fish or sogeye. I've got the original frying oil. And I'm gonna make hush puppies too, so I need a few inches. Don't we all? Alright, so the instructions say that you need 2 pounds of fish and 2 cups of buttermilk, beer, or water. So I'm gonna be using whole milk. Insert Napoleon Dynamite clip.
I see you're drinking 1%. Is that because you think you're fat?
So, it says, place this mix in a bowl. And put some milk in the other bowl. And now taking our beautifully butchered walleye fillets here, dip them into the dry mix, give it a little shake, flip, little shake, get it coated. Now, you could just throw that in the fryer, but we're going to go with the instructions and dip it in the milk now. It also says to use one hand to do the dry and one to do the wet, but we're not doing that. Okay, wet mix, double dipping back into the dry. We'll shake off any excess there and then lay it on another plate and let that kind of set up while our oil heats up. I've also got some good old hush puppy mix. And you need 3/4 of a cup milk or water. Oil, we got that. Combine the hush puppy mix and water in a bowl. Stir until smooth. Let batter stand for 5 minutes. And then drop them into the oil. Oh, 3/4 cup milk. You know what? Let's add a little Fish Monger seasoning to these hush puppies too. Let's go all in. Maybe we'll get a sponsorship by Fish Monger. Fire and Smoke Society. Once they see my cooking skills, they won't be able to resist. Or they'll ban me from ever buying their products again. Well, you never know what will happen. All right. How's our oil looking? "350-degree vegetable oil" is what the box says, so we're getting close there. I'm thinking our oil's probably good there, so we'll start with this first batch of fish. Lay in away from you. Nice sizzle. I'll go ahead and get another batch of fish started while this cooks. Well, these are looking pretty golden crispied. We're getting a little crazy in there too. Let's flip this bigger piece one more time. Oh my. Let's drop in some hush puppies. Little ball. So obviously, if you're a walleye fisherman, you know that the cheek meat and the wings are the best pieces. So I got those in there too, just gatekeeping. But let's go ahead and try one. Not as good as a fish dip, but not bad either. That's pretty good fish. Willow, you want some? More? Willow approves. I hope you guys, if you can catch some walleye this summer, you use this recipe. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.